Welcome to IT networking. So guys, how to fix auto repair your PC did not start currently, so how to resolve? So click guys advanced options, then guys click to troubleshoot, advanced options, then guys click to, so lot of way to repair your systems. So this is repair your startup, so diagnostic, so please wait to diagnosing your system. What is the issue? Was it exactly issue in your systems? Okay, so then again click to advanced options, then go to troubleshoot, advanced, then try to system restore. Okay, so next, so this is last automatic restore, so you can next to automatically the system come to dead day settings. Okay, otherwise but your data is same. Okay, no issue. Then guys close, then guys again come to troubleshoot, advanced, command prompt, this is command and type boot rec space slash rebuild. As it is type, then enter. Okay, and do not restart, please wait it. Then guys one more thing, advance, and if you try to uninstall latest update, yes, uninstall latest update, then close. Okay, then again troubleshoot and then type to command, so I giving you in description state command to enter SFC and DIMS, so that try. Then guys click to start button and type CMD and then enter. You can try to run an administrator, right click to run as administrator, so you're giving full permissions. Okay, then guys I have some command to repair your some corrupted Windows file. So this command I will give you in link in description, so you directly copy paste. Okay, first command is sfc slash scan now, you look at in the screen. So some when you enter the some percentage like to start and find out to any corrupted file. Okay, and then second also check health your computers, and third also check, and fourth restore your health. Okay, so all four four command is very important for your computers. Okay, and that all command I will give you in description, so you can manual type, otherwise copy paste what you want to do. Okay, so almost first complete, then second just a copy and then paste, copy and then paste. Okay, yeah, and then enter. Okay, now third.
Then guys, complete your process. Fourth count also done when your system restart, and then check your problem is 100% solved. Okay, bye bye, take care. And you comment me have any issue, so WhatsApp me, number is on banner. Bye.